So course 2, grade 7, 1.6, I want to talk about variable and algebraic expressions. So now I have Harrison Ford's age, so everybody gets older and older. So variables and algebraic expressions. So Harrison Ford was born in 1942. So the age when he was 18, that this is not the age, this is the age of him when he was 18. His age. This is the year of him when he was 18. And this is the year. I'm sorry. The year, not the year of him. The year. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, so now this one will work. Okay, but the first one needs to be the year. So now just cross this off. The year when he was 18. So he was born in 1942. When he was born in 1942, so the year when he was 18 is 1942 plus 18. So that's the year. This is 1960. Ooh, so long ago. 1960, so long ago he was 18. So then the second question is the age of him after 8 years. So when the year is 1942, his age is 0. When the year is 1943, the age is 1. So after 8 years of 1942, the age of him is 8 years. Okay, so the age of him is 8 years old. And then the year when he was 18 is 1942 plus 8. So then we also know the year after 8 years. After 1942 is, okay, let's just forget about this. I'm sorry, I have to rewrite this question. So now, what is the variable? The variable is a letter represent a number that can vary. So a variable is a letter, usually a Greek or English letter. So a variable is a letter represents a number that can vary. So a variable is a letter that represents a number that can vary. I can switch to any kinds of numbers. So what is constant? Constant is a number that cannot change. Okay, a constant is a number that cannot change. So variable is a letter represents the number that varies. A constant is a number that cannot change. An algebraic expressions is an expression, mathematical expression without any equal. So a mathematical expression is an expression consists of one or more variables. So an algebraic expression is an expression consists of one or more variables. So variable is a letter represents a number that can vary. A constant is a number that cannot change. And an algebraic expression consists of one or more variables. So how do we evaluate? When we evaluate an algebraic expression, we substitute a number for the variable. So to evaluate an algebraic expression, we substitute a number for the variable. So now how do we evaluate n plus 7 for each value of n? So from here, n plus 7 equals to n is 3. So 3 plus 7 this is 10. This is n plus 7. So n is 5. N is 5. And then we do 5 plus 7. This is 12. Then how do we do order of operations to evaluate expressions? So in multiplication, if I have 7t, we use it like, we represent it like 7t. We represent it like 7, have a dot t. This means 7 multiplies by t. We represent it as 7 parenthesis t. We represent it as 7 multiplies t. And then in variable, we do a, b, means a times b. And then a dot b still means a times b. And then a parenthesis b means a times b. And a times b with a cross still equals to a times b. And for division, q divided by r, q over r equals to q divided by r. Q slash r also equals to q divided by r. And q divided by 2 means q divided by 2. I'm sorry, I don't know what I was talking. Okay, so q over 2 equals to division to q divided by 2. Q slash 2 equals to q divided by 2. So q divided by 2 also equals to q divided by 2. So now, S over R equals to S divided by R. S slash R equals to S divided by R. And S divided by R equals to S divided by R. Okay, so evaluate each expression for the given value of the variable. So x equals to 5, so 3 multiplies by 5 minus 2. So 15 minus 2, this is 13. So now I play n equals to 4 inside. So then now we get 4 divided by 2 plus 4. So this is 6. And then now we get 2 y equals to 2. 6 times 2 squared times 2, y to 2, 6 times 4 plus 4, 24 plus 4, this is 28. So now example 3, I have n equals to 3, and then m equals to 4. So 3 over n is 3, 2 times m equals to 4. So this is 1 plus 8, and this is 9. Okay, so now we do think and discuss, and I will see you in class.